Hello everyone. Welcome to the Quality Assurance and Compliance Management System. This platform is designed to help organizations maintain product quality, monitor compliance, manage inspections, track defects, and improve overall operational performance from one secure system. Let's begin with the login page. Users enter their email address and password to sign in securely. After a successful login, the dashboard opens. The dashboard provides a complete overview of quality operations. Users can quickly view production batches, quality scores, active alerts, compliance status, inspection results, and key performance indicators. Interactive charts and reports help managers understand current performance at a glance. Now, let's move to the Asterisk production module. This section displays all production batches with their batch number, production date, quantity, status, and quality information. Managers can easily monitor production progress and identify batches that require attention. Next, we open the Asterisk Quality Control module. Here, inspectors can review inspection records, record test results, verify product quality, and approve completed inspections. This ensures that every product meets the required quality standards before delivery. Now, let's move to the Asterisk Defect Management section. This module records product defects, defect categories, severity levels, and current status. Users can investigate quality issues, assign corrective actions, and monitor the resolution process. This helps reduce production errors and improve product quality. Next, we open the Asterisk Compliance Management module. Here, organizations can manage compliance requirements, regulatory standards, internal policies, and audit records. The system helps ensure that every process follows the required quality and compliance guidelines. Now, let's move to the Asterisk Analytics dashboard. This section provides detailed charts and reports on quality performance, production trends, defect rates, inspection results, and compliance scores. These insights help managers identify improvement opportunities and make informed business decisions. Next, we open the Asterisk Supplier Management module. Here, users can manage supplier information, compare supplier performance, and evaluate supplier quality using performance metrics. The platform helps organizations work with reliable suppliers and improve supply chain quality. Now, let's return to the dashboard. The dashboard gives administrators a real-time summary of all quality activities, production status, compliance performance, and inspection results. Users can quickly monitor important updates and respond to issues without delay. Finally, we open the Asterisk Quality Inspection page. This module displays inspection schedules, inspection results, product samples, inspector details, and approval status. Inspectors can easily complete inspections and maintain accurate quality records. The Quality Assurance and Compliance Management System provides a complete solution for quality control, compliance management, production monitoring, supplier evaluation, defect tracking,